everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily upgrade your town center in Age of Empires. Advancing your town center is key to progress through the ages, unlocking new units, buildings, and technologies. Doing this efficiently can give you a huge advantage in Age of Empires. So first of all, launch open Age of Empires game on your Android device and then make sure that you're inside this home section. Now from the home page, go to the top of the screen and in the middle center, you'll see a white building icon. Tap on it. Now click on the town center button on the bottom left and click on go and you'll be inside your town center option. Click on upgrade and click the upgrade button at the bottom right corner if the button is available. Soon after you do that, you will be able to upgrade your town center in Age of Empires. Before upgrading your town center, make sure you have enough of required sources. If you've got enough resources, then you will have the option to upgrade your town center. Continue collecting resources, building additional town centers, and upgrading units. Strategic upgrades are key to dominating opponents in later stages of the game. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.